How's it going? Jim here again. Time for the transmission going in the Miata, which is a Chevy 4-speed Saginaw. Definitely a lot stronger, a lot bigger. But I have it in the car, and this is the new beginning into a cross member right there. Pretty simple on these cars. Even though the car is metric, if you measure between the frame rails, it's exactly 28.5 inches in between. When you set the pitch on this, pretty simple. Everything is measured in 1-inch intervals. So I'm using 2 by 1 inch by 1/8 square stock. A 5-inch piece on one side, 6-inch piece on the other side. That's a lot of details, but it doesn't matter. But, just there. That's it. Okay? Thank you.